Before the paper, before the chart, before the tables even start, ask the question, make it clear. What do we want to answer here? Not every topic fits the plan, not every data proves a stand. So pause before the study grows. The right design is where it flows. Resident doctor ready to write, with a research idea burning bright. But a good study does not begin with available data pulled from within. It starts with a problem focused and true, a gap in care, a question new. Not too wide, not just routine, but useful, honest, sharp and clean. Is it feasible? Can it be done? Within your time, your team, your run? Will it help patients training care? Then build your question from there. Because the paper may fall apart when design and question are far apart. So before the methods, pause and see, what kind of answer should this be? Match the question, match the design, draw the boundary, define the line. Snapshot now or follow through, that will tell you what to do. Cross-sectional, what is there today? Prevalence profile, association say. Prospective follows time ahead, from baseline factors to outcomes led. Match the question, make it clear. That's where strong research starts, right here. Cross-sectional is a picture in time, a single look, a measured line. Who has the condition? How many are there? What patterns appear in the data you share? Burnout in residence, sleep and stress, knowledge, attitude, practice, yes. Clinical profile, risk perception, survey results and disease detection. But careful now with what you claim. Association is not the same as saying one thing caused the other. Do not let your wording suffer. Say associated, say linked, say more common. Stop and think. If time is unclear, then do not say this caused that in a causal way. Match the question, match the design, draw the boundary, define the line. Snapshot now or follow through, that will tell you what to do. Cross-sectional, what is there today? Prevalence profile, association say. Prospective follows time ahead, from baseline factors to outcomes led. Match the question, make it clear. That's where strong research starts, right here. Prospective studies move with time, from starting point to outcome line. Enroll today, then follow on until the measured endpoint's drawn. Who develops infection after surgery? Who returns within 30 days? Which baseline factor may help us see the outcome coming through the haze? Incidence predictors, clinical course, but still be careful with your force. Without randomization, do not overstate. Confounders may still complicate. Cross-sectional, snapshot view. What is common? What links to who? Prospective, follow the trail. Watch outcomes rise, succeed or fail. One time frame, be careful how you phrase the claim. Prospective, time moves on, but bias can still lead you wrong. So define your people, define your case, define your outcome, time and place. Good research is not just what you know, it's how your question and methods flow. Match the question, match the design, draw the boundary, define the line. Snapshot now or follow through, that will tell you what to do. Cross-sectional, what is there today? Prevalence profile, association say. Prospective follows time ahead, from baseline factors to outcomes led. Match the question, make it clear. That's where strong research starts, right here. Before the paper, before the chart, start with the question, start with heart. For every resident learning the art, good research begins with a thoughtful start. Doc Buboy Research Series. Clear question, right design, better paper. Doc Buboy, Doctor.Pasyente, dalawang pananaw, isang laban sa bawat kenpo. May pag-asa hanggang sa muli, laban lang.